Hello everyone, I am Angelina Espiritu, your caring real estate counselor. It is a privilege for me today to be with you. I will now present to you the third basic element in real estate investment, which is the type of property. Who are we? What do we do? It is in our hearts to serve the needs of real estate sellers and buyers by giving them advice and investment analysis as an aid to make good decisions. Site owner formerly worked for Land Bank of the Philippines, and now she is a PRC licensed real estate broker, appraiser, and consultant. The importance of property type in real estate investment. The type of property an investor purchases is a key factor that influences their investment strategy and the financing options available. Understanding the different categories of income producing properties like single family, multifamily, and commercial properties can help guide investment decisions. Financing single-family properties. Single-family properties, despite the name, include any real estate with 1 to 4 living units, such as houses and duplexes. These properties are the most common, and lenders offer a variety of mortgage options tailored to them. Local banks, in particular, provide flexible financing solutions and personalized service, making them a favorable choice for investors. Financing multifamily properties. When investing in multifamily properties, which consist of 5 or more units, the financing options differ significantly from those available for single family properties. Specialty apartment lending programs are designed for smaller multifamily investors, offering competitive rates and terms, though they are typically capped at lower amounts. Financing commercial properties with conduit loans. For larger commercial investments such as office buildings or large apartment complexes, conduit loans are a common financing method. These loans are more complex and are offered by large banking institutions with unique features such as securitization and different pricing structures compared to conventional loans. Tailoring financing to investment strategy. The type of financing used depends on not only the property type, but also the investor strategy, including the time horizon and volume of transactions. For example, long-term investors in single-family properties may opt for conventional mortgages, while those focused on quick turnovers may prefer lines of credit. The same principles apply to multifamily and commercial properties, where the chosen financial instrument must align with the investor's goals. Conclusion. The interplay of time, volume, and property type. In conclusion, the elements of time, volume, and property type must be considered together to choose the appropriate financing strategy. A change in any one of these variables can significantly impact the financing options available, making it essential for investors to understand how these factors interact to optimize their investment outcomes. For any question or clarification, you may send me an email. Thank you everyone for watching.